Nearly 2 billion workers, more than 60% of the world's workforce, labor informally as self-employed, wage-employed, and dependent contractors. The majority of them lack social protection, rights at work, and decent working conditions. The precarity of millions of these workers is driven by powerful corporations and finance capital, facilitated by government regulations and intensified through structural discriminations deeply embedded in the business models.
Informal employment is actually a permanent feature, albeit subordinate and dependent, of modern capitalist development.
While formalization can be life-changing for some workers, it can also produce harmful outcomes, such as
displacing street vendors, criminalizing waste pickers, undermining domestic workers' mutual aid networks, and tying garment workers to exploitative contracts, all in the name of legality. Governments, corporations, even NGOs tend to impose one-size-fits-all solutions from above, what I call top-down formalization. Bottom-up formalization starts with the workers themselves, organizing, demanding recognition, and shaping the policies that reflect their own knowledge, needs, and aspirations.
In the face of major crises in the world of work and brutal attacks on unions and labor rights, building the strength and unity of the working class is needed more than ever.
Join our online course, Workers in Informal Employment, Organizing and Bargaining Collectively, to learn more about their powerful stories, reminding us that the labor movements are defined and redefined by all worker struggles for work and life with dignity.